Today I will be guiding you through how to resize image in Copilot. With the help of my method, you can resize your own image if you upload from your computer or even if you create an image in the Copilot. Then you can ask the Copilot to resize that. But if you have dimensions or pixel for your image to which you want to convert, like you want to convert that into the passport size, then it will be good. But if you don't have, then we will ask you Copilot to resize it as passport. So let's try it out. The first thing is open the Microsoft Edge and turn on the Copilot. Now once it will be enabled, what you have to do, simply import your picture from your computer to Copilot. So let me do it. There you can see I upload a random picture, and I will ask the Copilot to resize it as passport. After writing, I'll paste the pixels to which I want to resize, and then I will hit this arrow. And if I scroll down, here you can see it is preparing. And here you can see the resultant image, and it looked more good than the original one. You can check the difference, but if you don't know the pixel or dimension or even the size, then no need to worry. Simply ask to Copilot to resize as you want without writing the dimensions. If you want to download and click on this icon, download, and download it, and that's it.